In this video, I will show you how to change TikTok account country or region. The first thing you want to do is open up the TikTok app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon. Here tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then go to settings and privacy. Now from here select privacy. Here you want to look for location services option. Now you simply want to turn off the location tracking to reset your location on TikTok. For that go and tap on never. Then go to settings and then make sure that you don't allow the location permission over here. Once that is done, exit TikTok. Now go to your phone setting. Here you want to tap on general management or general, then find the option of language and region. Now go ahead and set your language to the country that you are in. After that, you also want to tap on the region option, and here you simply want to select the country you want. Once you have set the country in your device, now you can simply head over to TikTok, and now your TikTok content or recommendations should reflect the new region. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.